Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to refund American Airlines plane tickets in 2024. Of course, whether your plans have changed or you just need to cancel your flight. Knowing how to get a refund from American Airlines is very important. So in this tutorial, we will walk you through the steps to request a refund from American Airlines plane or to American Airlines plane tickets. So make sure to stick by and let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, before requesting a refund, it's crucial to understand American Airlines refund policy. American Airlines offers different options to refund eligibility based on your ticket type or on the ticket type that you bought. And even based on the fare rules and the reasons of cancellation or for cancellation. So you'll have to go and visit the American Airlines websites or check your booking confirmation for specific details. To do so, just go and open here in browser, go to the URL section. I'll just go and type, of course, American like Airlines. As simple as that. And of course, in here, I'll just go and like do type refund like policy. Oh, sorry, so refund policy. I'll open that on the side. And other than that, so refund tickets or refund tickets. I'll just go and do refund tickets. Yeah, I'll open that also. Then I'll basically open their websites. So first of all, of course, once you go to their websites, you can basically just go and log in into an account if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, of course, make sure to go and create an account. Basically, it's very easy. You can simply click on join, as you can see, and create an account. But normally, if you already have a tickets, you would have an account, so make sure to log in into it. So you can access your reservation to cancel it and request a refund. So let's start first of all by reading the refund policy that they have as an example. So here, let's just scroll down until we find refund. So yeah, refund and receipts. And yeah, as you can see, some information here. So first of all, like here, learn how to request a refund or receipt, as you can see. So for the receipt, as an example, you have this. So you can request a receipt for tickets, as an example, fees and etc. Starting for 20 hours after your purchase or chained for up to 18 months. Of course, for the refund, to request that, if you bought your tickets or related travel products and service through American Airlines, you can request a refund or check your refund status from here. Just click on it and you'll be able to see it. And you can check the status of refund, of course, from here also. And if you bought your tickets from a travel agent or on another website, you can contact them for refund help. So, example, for requesting a refund, you can simply just go here and all you need to do is enter your trip details to start. Enter your last name and the 13 digits of the ticket number. And as you can see, how to find your tickets, basically, ticket numbers contain 13 digits starting with 001 and confirmation email towards the bottom and the receipts. Receipts from the airport / ticket sales center at the bottom on the middle receipts and credit card statements, of course. So you can check the, of course, status of the refund of the ticket that you bought by simply entering the ticket number and last name. And you can simply request a refund right away from here and start entering the request of that. So basically, as easy as that. As you can see, so this is how to request a refund. Of course, if you need like to understand, first of all, like if I cancel, as you can see, like some frequently asked questions about that. So if I cancel my trip within 24 hours of purchase, can I get a full refund? As you can see, so you have 24 hours from the time you buy or you first buy your ticket for a refund. So if you booked at least 2 days before departure, the 24 hours refund policy applies to all ticket types, whatever the ticket type. But you have to cancel the trip to get a refund. Reservation booked as part of the group blog do not qualify for 24-hour refund. Refunds will be issued in full amounts, less sale imposed, of course, non-refundable taxes, and service charge for booking through reservation. And to cancel, of course, your trip, you can find your trip online or log in to your Advantage account. So you can find your trip or log into your account. Of course, you fund your reservation right away, as you can see. So if you bought your ticket through travel agency or another booking source, you'll need to contact them, as you said before, for a refund. So I have a refundable ticket and I'm not going to use it. How can I get a refund? If you bought American like Airlines ticket directly from us, you can request a refund online. We'll process your refund back to the original credit card within 7 days. It should appear on your statements 1 to 2 billing cycles for cash and check purchases. We'll process your refund within 20 days after receiving a complete refund request. As I said before, how to do a refund request, basically just go here to a refund and receipts, click on it, and basically they will take you to this page. This page, scroll down, and all you need to do, click on request a refund, enter your informations, and you'll get a refund. As simple as that. So now we are just reading some frequently asked questions if you get like lost or something like that. So yeah, as you can see in here, keep in mind, refund requests must be submitted while your ticket is valid 1 year from the original ticket date. Will not proceed refund on expired tickets. If you bought your tickets from a travel agent or website, of course, you'll need to go. Please contact them directly. Here you can request a refund also. So you have non-refundable tickets. Can I get a refund? We do not refund cash for non-refundable tickets. So we'll refund refundable tickets to the origin from of payments. If you cancel within 24 hours, the time you first buy your ticket. If there is a schedule change or more than 4 hours and you decide not to travel, there is schedule change of 90 minutes or more within 72 hours or 3 days of your scheduled departure time and you decide not to travel. There is a death of the passenger or traveling companion or military orders slash change of duty. And of course, refunds will be made to the original form of payment. Supporting documents may be required. As an example, you may be entitled to a refund of some tasks, included the price of the tickets, upon writing like requests, taxes, or fees not imposed to the by the airline that are specific to the station can be refunded. So as you can see, other like all the information is about refund. If you care about this, of course, I'll just go here and open all of those answers. If you have one of those questions, you can simply pause the video and read this all by your own, so we don't like take a lot of time reading that. And yeah, that's basically the policy of refund of how, and how to refund it. As you can see, you have a button for request a refund. Click on it and enter your informations, and of course you'll be able to start the refund process. If you don't have an account, if you have an account, you can simply just log into it, go to your profile, go to your reservation, and you will find the refund or a cancel options there, and you'll be able to refund it. As simple as that. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.